Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save and manage passwords on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser and navigate to the website where you want to save a password. For this example, I'm going to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, look at the upper right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Next, you'll see an option that says Continue with email or username. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now, in the designated field, enter your email or username associated with your Fiverr account. After that, move down to the password field and enter your password. This is where Brave's built-in password manager starts to work its magic. Once you've entered your password, look up at the upper right corner of your browser and you'll notice a key icon appear. This is Brave's way of letting you know it can save your password for this site. Click on that key icon to activate the save feature. A confirmation notification will pop up at the top of your browser asking if you want to save this password. Simply click Save and Brave will securely store your login information for future use. This means the next time you visit Fiverr, your credentials will be automatically filled in, saving you time and effort. Now, if you want to manually add passwords or manage your existing saved passwords, there's another way to access the password manager. In the upper right corner of your browser, click on the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From there, select Settings to access Brave's configuration options. Once you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left panel and click on Autofill and Passwords. This section controls how Brave handles your stored information, including passwords, addresses, and payment methods. From here, click on Password Manager to view all your saved credentials and manage them in one central location. Inside the Password Manager, you'll see an Add button. Click on it to manually add a new password entry. This is particularly useful if you want to save credentials before visiting a site or if you're storing backup passwords. In the first field, enter the site URL where this password will be used. Then move to the next field and enter your username. After that, enter your password in the designated field below. Once all the information is filled in correctly, click Save to store this password in Brave's secure vault. And that's it. You now know how to save passwords automatically while browsing and how to manually add and manage them through Brave's password manager. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.